guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to give super thanks on a YouTube video. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So let's say you're on a video on YouTube or on a YouTube channel and you're watching a video. I'm going to click on one of my videos, right? In order to give super thanks, below the video on the lower right hand side, you will see the option right beside the download thanks, and it looks like this, and it's a heart with a dollar sign inside, and beside it it says thanks. Now if you click in that, you will have the option here to give super thanks, and you can choose how much money you want to give by simply using the bar below it to toggle to the right hand side or to the left depending on where you start to give the money. So as you can see, mine starts at 20 kron, and if you move it towards the right, it goes up, and you can go all the way up to how much money there is for the maximum. So you can easily go ahead and give the super thanks to that particular channel if you so desire. Now once you're happy with how much money you want to give there, you can just easily go ahead and click buy and send. You can also go ahead and choose a sticker here by clicking on this, and you can choose whichever sticker from the list that you want. You have quite a lot of different sticker here. You can switch between multiple different symbols or icon here. You can search for emojis, whatever it is that you want to go ahead and use. But that's it guys. Once you're finished, you can click on that again and just go ahead and choose the buy and send. And by doing this, you can use the super thanks to show your support to the channel by giving monetary value to that channel. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.